Hey guys, I'm going to explain to you how to do the cut and paste lab. If you look at the top, there is an example. If you had to put magnesium and chloride together, magnesium has a +2 charge and chloride has a -1 charge. So you need to put 2 chlorines with magnesium in order to balance them out. So now it's +2 -2. So the formula would be MgCl2 and the name would be magnesium chloride. All right, so that's just your example. If you look down at part 1, you're going to cut out and paste these 10 compounds. Now, there is a part 2. You do not have to do part 2. We're just going to focus on part 1. But you have a sheet attached to this with all the different ions that you'll be using in this activity. And I'm going to do the first one with you just to show you what that would look like. So you're supposed to be putting aluminum and bromine together. So if you want to do this on a sheet of construction paper, if you have access to that, then that's great. But if you don't, notebook paper is just fine. So I'm going to number this letter A. And for the letter A, I'm putting aluminum and bromide together. So what I would do is I would cut out aluminum on here. If you find aluminum, there we go. It has a +3 charge. So imagine I cut out one of these aluminums and it has a +3 charge. And then if I cut out a bromine, bromine has a -1 charge. That's why there's only one dash here. That means -1. So let's imagine I cut out bromine and it has a -1 charge. I notice that these charges do not equal each other. This is +3, this is -1. So that means if I want to make these charges cancel, I'm going to have to cut out 2 more bromines and put them with aluminum. And now it's +3, -3, they cancel out. So underneath that, you're going to write the formula. So it's going to be 1Al and 3 BRs, AlBr3, and then I'm going to name it. This is called aluminum. Aluminum does not need a Roman numeral because it's in group 3. It's always +3. And then for bromine, I've got to change the ending to bromide. So that's what you'll be doing for the other 9 combinations. If you don't have access to scissors and glue, that's totally fine. You can do exactly like I did here and just draw them. That might be easier anyways. But this is going to be one that you turn in to me. So let me know if you have any questions.